What's up, YouTube? This is Wonder Wolf. I'm doing a how-to administer on a 6-in-1 parvo shot. There's two different types of vaccines. One's called a 5-in-1 and one called a 6-in-1. The 5-in-1 is both protects against parvo, but the 6-in-1 protects against one more thing. And I'm not a doctor, so I don't know exactly what that one more thing is, but it's a difference of $1. So one's $10.99 and one's $12.99. So I got the best one I can get. You get these at the Tractor Supply Company. They're everywhere. TSC, the red logo Tractor Supply Company. They're all over the United States. And if you're in a town that's not a Tractor Supply, there'll be a local farmer's market or local co-op. The vaccine is going to come in 2 vials. One's the liquid. You draw the liquid up, and you shoot the liquid into the mixture. And you shake the mixture up, and you draw it back up in a syringe, and then administer it to the dog. I've already drawn up the liquid, so now I'm going to have Carla dispense the liquid into the cake mix. Of course, you would shake it up to mix it. Similar to giving a human insulin. So, if you ever gave a diabetic a shot, or you're a diabetic, it's similar to that. So it's not. Why so close? Similar to that. So it's really easy. Bring it. Bring it. So Carter's going to draw it back up in the syringe. And you have to be careful too, because the medicine is usually up the air. So it's easy to get the syringe in the air, but won't be able to draw it up. So you got to make sure the needle is in the liquid to draw. Next is the hard part. We don't want to inflict pain upon our friendly dogs, our loving animal companions, and our best friends. But this is something that's very important. So what you'll do, you'll pinch the back of his neck, right here.
Here. I need you to hold it so I don't get me. Okay. Okay. Okay, you're scared.
She's going to yell.
So do you let me hold it and you do it?
I'm at home.
Well, I've never done golf before.
I'm at home. Yeah, just make sure he gets in a slow flat.
Okay.
I've done it. I just ain't used to needles. I don't like touching needles.
Okay. I just don't want to get one of us. That's what I'm worried about. Okay?
That's simple. Only hurts a little bit.
Good girl.
And that's how you do it. Make sure you get it on the back of the neck. And get it inside the skin. I don't, needles freak me out. I'm sorry. But that's exactly how you do it. And it's scary, but something it can be done for $12.99 at your local farm supply. And a lot of travelers out there, they have puppies, they want to protect their dogs. Especially if you go around Slab City, California had a bad parvo outbreak that's still happening. And it always has a parvo outbreak. So if you're going anywhere near another dog on the rails or in South City, please, by all means, stop by a local supply company and buy the 5 or 6-in-1 shot and administer it just like this. It's very simple. 2 vials. You mix the
draw the liquid up at the first valve.
You dispense it back into the second vial, which is the cake mix. You shake the cake mix back up, and you get it mixed up. And you redraw both in the syringe. It's 1 milliliter, and you take your puppy, your loved one, and pinch the back of his neck, and insert that needle inside his skin and press down.